Starting Wednesday, April 1st, vehicles traveling without license plates will be apprehended. This is in line with the strict implementation of the no registration, no travel policy. DOTC spokesman Michael Arthur Sakal said they will strictly implement the policy since the LTO can now issue license plates to new vehicles within 7 days. Meanwhile, the LTO and the LTFRB have taken steps to ensure the safety of passengers going to the provinces for the Holy Week and summer vacation. Christine Santos reports.
With the expected surge in passengers this Lenten season, the Land Transportation Office and the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board have started laying out measures to guarantee a safe travel for the passengers. Last week, LTFRB's bus terminal inspection has begun.
Kailangan nilang ihanda yung kanilang mga buses nito at kailangan nilang siguraduhin na on tip-top condition dahil nga madaming mga pasahero at sayang naman kung hindi handa at magkakaroon lamang ng diferensya ng kanilang mga units.
This Lenten season, the LTO will deploy its personnel for its checkpoints, which will be placed at bus terminals, airports, and seaports. The agency will also strictly implement anti-drunk and drive law.
Tayo magtatalaga ng mga checkpoints sa mga crucial areas upang maging assistance sa ating mga motorista. At the same time, mag-inspect din tayo ng mga terminals natin to ensure that walang overloading. Unang-una, pangalawa, dapat duly registered ang mga buses, may proper identification, kompleto yung kanilang mga kagamitan, roadworthy siya, at more importantly, hindi po nakadroga.
Meanwhile, starting April 1, the use of unregistered vehicles and those without new plates will not be allowed. It can be recalled that in January this year, the LTO ordered that all vehicles must acquire new plates.
Sa mga nakaraang buwan, mga nakaraang araw, nakikita natin na parang ang dami-dami pa rin sasakyan sa ating mga lansangan na wala pang rehistro. Bakit? Dalawang bagay lamang yan. Isa, dahil hindi pa ito nire-rehistro ng mga dealer. Yung iba kasi kadalasan kahit na narehistro na nila, hindi nila binabalikan yung plaka ng mga dealers natin. Kaya nga nung mga nakarang taon, nakarang panahon, pinapakiusapan natin yung mga motor vehicle owners natin na kung narehistrado na pa kayo at hindi kayo masikasan ng mga dealers nyo, pakikuha nyo na po yung plaka nyo dahil wala ho kaming problema sa supply ng plaka. Yung mangyayari, pag nakita po kayong walang plaka, paparahin po kayo ng mga law enforcer natin at tatanungin, bakit nga ba kayo hindi pa nakarehistro? Ngayon, kung lagpas na kayo sa 7 days, ipe-penalize na po natin kayo for driving an unregistered vehicle. Medyo malaki po ang penalty niyan, 10,000 pesos po. At kung nakita naman natin yung araw ng pagkakabili nyo, lagpas na sa 37 days, i-impound na po natin yung vehicle nyo.